In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create motion animation in Canva. If you're eager to add dynamic flair and movement to your designs, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily animate elements in Canva in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to open Canva, which is a versatile, user-friendly design platform perfect for creating a spectrum of visual content. Once you've logged in or signed up if you're new here, you'll be greeted by the visually inviting dashboard where creativity comes to life. Now you'll need to click on the Create a Design button. You can find it nestled comfortably at the top right-hand corner of your dashboard. This is your gateway to a world of endless possibilities in design, so go ahead and give it a click. Choose your canvas size or select a template that best suits the project at hand. It's time to let your imagination run wild. Begin by inserting text blocks, shapes, photos, or illustrations to your canvas. Canva offers a rich library, so don't hesitate to explore and pick what resonates with your vision. Whether it's the punchy headline, a quirky shape, or that perfect image, add them with a few simple clicks. As you start placing your elements, it's crucial to arrange them thoughtfully on the canvas. Think about the overall composition. This is the stage where your creative vision starts coming to life, setting the foundation for the animation to work its magic. Next, click on any element or text box that you want to bring to life with motion. This could be your headline, a striking shape, or even that captivating image. Once you've selected your desired element, move your attention to Canva's top toolbar. Here comes the fun part. On the top toolbar, you'll find an Animate button waiting patiently for your command. By clicking this, you unlock Canva's animation tools ready for you to explore. The door to a variety of animation effects will now open before you. Whether you're looking for a subtle fade or a bouncy entrance, you'll find an array of choices. Take your time to browse through these effects and select the one that complements your design. Depending on the animation effect selected, you might see options to adjust the direction, speed, or timing. This is where you customize the animation to fit seamlessly into your design. Play around until it feels just right, ensuring it echoes the mood and message of your project. And there you have it. Your elements are now animated, adding that extra sparkle to your design. Don't forget to preview and fine-tune as needed before sharing your creation with the world. In just a few steps, you've learned how to animate elements in Canva, adding that dynamic touch to your designs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.